Coming at us, top. Yeah, right your mouse in, right your mouse in there. No, on the bridge, on the northeast bridge. We're just on this northeast bridge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get your switch right now. Get your switch. It's huge on the bridge. Kill them all on the bridge. Kill them all on the bridge. Any back. Kill them behind us. Fast, kill them behind us. Heals northeast. Yeah, hold my nose. Yo, kill everyone inside. Kill all these tanks inside. Kill everyone inside. Okay? Damn, heals on the northeast. Kill everyone inside right now. Kill everyone inside. When you get northeast in 5, 4, spread. Heals. When you get northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pops the noise right now. Shallow. Any back. Kill us off. Any back. Back west. Faster, you good? Faster, you good on the west side? Okay, no, don't chase. I need you up on the east side. Fast guy, I need you up on the east side. Yo, pull back. Heals. We're carry east to 5, 4, 3, 2, carry east on choke. Carry choke, mate. Wipe on the choke. You wipe on the choke now. Wipe on the choke. Just wipe on. Any back. Oh my fucking god. Any back, baby. Any back. Heals. Don't die. Heals. Come back.
Yo, on the...
Yeah, fast go home west. Spread off the gate. Spread from the gate. Spread. When you get northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Just kill the tanks up. Shallow. Any back. Make sure food storage just popped, okay? Fast, hold my south, okay? Hold my south if you can, okay? Yo, kill tank, it's right. Heals.
Don't FK on the gate.
The fuck was that?
Yeah, listen. When it gets northeast shallow, yeah, Spencer, when it gets northeast 5, 4, 3, 2, shallow, very shallow, any back. Any back, and you're back right now. Kill everyone inside. Kill this tank inside. Kill that tank inside. Go out, demon armor tank, get out. Northeast, okay? Back. Heals northeast, okay? Heals northeast. Don't let clicker die. Yes, let him die. It's fine. What's the debuff right now?
Hold on.
43, then 43.
Yeah,
we're gonna get shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get shallow on the east side. East side shallow. East side, back up. Locus on northeast. Locus and heals northeast right now. Wait, Locus and heals northeast right now. Okay, help our boys back. Okay. That's fast. Heals northeast. Don't let boys side. Don't let guys side. Yo, poke these tanks back. Kidnap these tanks that every time they come up. Kidnap these tanks. CC him down. Kill that tank on the bridge. Don't let that tank get out. Nice. Any back. We're gonna push through northeast and just like Garrett, okay? Heals. When I get shallow, northeast and just like Garrett, okay? We're gonna get shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow. Very shallow. Any back. Boys. Any back. Heals right. Any back, boys. Any back, and you're back. Bully the build down. Back. Locus steals. Okay, we're gonna counter northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, counter northeast now. Fast engage northeast now. Yo, kill these tanks on any back. Any back right now. Heals northeast. Fast, play with me northeast, okay? Just have one tank hold myself, okay? Yeah. Fast, hear me? Yeah, play with me northeast. Heals. Fast guy, play with me northeast. When I get in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Just hit that Albion hammer. Any back. Boys. Any back. Heals right. They're gonna full push us. Heals. Fast counter now. Northeast right now. You counter northeast right now. Yo, my was counter northeast. Hit this shit northeast. Hit the shit northeast right now. If you have east. Hit the shit northeast if you have east. Delete that all. Any back. Any back. Nice. Heals us in. Don't let senior die northeast. Okay? Yo, we full push this, right? Yeah. Kill this. Don't let them come inside. Don't let them come inside.
You need to full push them down. 6 is coming.
Yeah.
Get ready. Okay, get ready.
Pick up Wi-Fi in your party. Wi-Fi.
Spread. Just hold for now. Just hold for now. Okay. Listen. Fast. I'm gonna pop straight.
40% down there.
Yeah. I'm gonna pop straight in just a second. Yeah. Listen. I'm gonna go just shallow. Okay. Just shallow for now. There's still a lot here. I can't full push through yet. Okay. Yeah. Listen. Fast. Just walk up. We'll bait and engage. Okay. Senior, you engage first right now. Okay. And we'll just full counter them.
5.
Only seniors party.
I'm going.
I'm watching.
Okay, any back. Okay, just hold for now. They're gonna counter. No, they're not. Fast, you go now. Okay, Okay. Yeah, listen. One tank watch the northwest on the bridge. They're gonna have some people come behind us. Okay.
哦，喺8秒。
Yeah, listen, tell Garrett. Okay, we're gonna engage them. Tell Garrett. Okay, we're gonna engage.
You have a small bomb squad dismounting to
Yeah,
your
yeah,
north.
Cena, watch your north.
Yeah, I'm going. Come northwest up the road, bro. Northwest up.
Are they dismounting or no?
No,
Behind us.
kind of, like a little bit of them.
Not yet. There's still.
Just come to me. Yeah, Cena, come back to me.
Yeah, I'm coming. Go back to top.
Just have a scout on that. Who can scout that for me?
I'll watch it.
Alright, cool. Tell Garrett. Here's the Locus northeast. We're gonna counter it northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Actually, shell. I need some Albion and hammers pulling them. Yeah, I need some Albion and hammers pulling them. Hit that east side, any back. Get fast, get ready to counter, okay? Get ready to counter this, okay?
Yeah, draw one.
Fast, get ready to counter this. Where are they coming from, southeast or what?
The southeast.
Alright, listen, one tank, watch it. I'm gonna pull northwest as soon as they come, okay? You need to tell me. You gotta tell me right when they zone, okay? Are they zoning in or no?
No, it's just I
Kill that galley northeast. Don't let him run. Don't let galley run. Hey, back. You need to see those guys, man. Don't blink out like that. We're farming them here, man. We're farming them.
Yo,
We're farming
other
them.
hammers, grow a pair of fucking balls and go and retry.
Yeah. Listen. Don't let them come inside. Okay, back. Heels northeast. Don't let these kids come inside us. Don't let these. Yeah, we're gonna get northeast
Come
and
on,
just
throw
like.
silence pulls.
Yeah. Listen. Yeah, tanks. Yo, listen. I need the snare chart. The second W on the Hamlin. Yeah, we're gonna full push northeast in just a second, Garrett. Okay, fast. I'm gonna full push northeast in just a second. Once you counter, okay?
Can move over.
Yeah, millions and shit. I'm gonna full push northeast in just like.
Where it's
Yeah, I'm gonna full push northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll full push northeast me. Wow, yeah, full push northeast right now. I'm full push east side. Yo, come and go east side. Come and go east side. Come and go onto the east side. Just plow through. Use your defense right. Use your infantry more. Don't engage. No, they're dead. They're dead. Push them. They're all dead. Come through. They're all dead. They're wiped. Here. Don't get out. Don't get nice. Beautiful. Kill them all. Heals. Keep dropping heals. Use your rest up below. Fast, finish anyone that comes across the bitch. Guys, kill them all. Beautiful. Woo! Kill them all, baby.
Dead him, man.